Hello there, my name is Ollie from Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Fiat Ducato. Now this is a long wheel-based high roof model as well. Now this does come with 5 doors, 18,000 miles upon the clock, a 6-speed manual transmission, cruise control as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity and hands-free cooling. This does also adorn 3 cloth lined seats at the front just here, armrest for the driver, pop down the middle just here. We do of course have the clipboard and cup holders as well. Now, as this is a high roof model, we do get a bit of room above the cab for storage as well. This is ply lined, interior lit, and there are cargo rings to hide any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you this space from the rear as well. Now, as you may know, there are no dents within the bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Fiat Ducato, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It's in the description of this video. Type in that reg plate and you'll find this vehicle. And thank you very much for watching. Hopefully we'll see you here soon, and one day this could be yours.